So this is the login screen of our application. Here we authenticate using email address and mobile number. Now I will receive OTP on my mobile. I have already received it. I am entering the OTP over here. It's 3559 and I have logged in. So I am here. Okay, and here we have provided one feature to invite our contacts. Okay, so here is the link for Gmail, as you can see. Okay, and this once we click on it, you see here client ID is there. Okay, and it is our consent to us. So it has the full URL. Now once we click on it, since the app is not yet verified, so we are getting this thing over here. Okay, so this is the first thing. Now let me show you how we are handling this with the help of our code. So this is the code where that button was placed on which that we clicked. In it, as you can see, we have redirect URI, and we also have that scope. Here is the scope. Okay. Now once user get redirect to our site using this redirect URI, it is handled here. Okay, and here as you can see, we are verifying the whole token using this curl code, and here we are fetching the contact data using the read-only scope, as you can see. And once we have it, we just fetch all the records, runs for each, and use it for our further purpose to invite the users. So that's all our functionality is there. Thank you.